Hello children, welcome back. In a drawing book, holding the book like this in a vertical portrait mode, we will draw the landscape of Japan. Japan is also called as land of rising sun. First, we will draw the sun in a circle. Then we will draw one symmetry line in between so that all the things will come in symmetry in same in both the side. Now we will try to draw a triangle and some shapes, semicircle, circle as the top, small rectangle, again a rectangle. You can make the shape of rectangle, triangle and square to make the house, Japanese house, like this. They have a little curved roof like that. Try to draw the roof lines like this, a little bit curved, the window, the lines of the roof. After completing, your picture will look like this. Now you can start coloring with the help of a brush and your paint. Here I have colored the sun red because Japan flag has the rising sun of color red. Complete the picture coloring with your own choice of color. After completion, it will look like this. Share it with your teacher and parents. Bye bye for now.